That was crazy. All right, this is too low. All right, so Complexcon, we're up in here, Chicago, just touched down. Like I mentioned before, I'm out here with Reebok. There's been so many people that have asked me about these already. I have the other shoe, and I didn't show you in the last video, so let me show you those real quick. Are you guys ready for these? A lot of people have said they're the better of the two. The leather is super nice, just like on the other pair. This is flashy. Like, there's no way around it how flashy this is. I think that these are so cool because they're totally different than any of the other Iversons that have ever dropped. Like, just check these things out, man. Absolutely insane. And if you see the Reebok booth that I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow, I'm gonna give you guys a full rundown of that booth, every little detail and aspect of it. I'm gonna share with you on this recap. It's gonna be a good one. Iverson is supposed to be in the house. I have no clue if that is actually gonna happen or not. This should be a very fun video, so grab a snack, sit tight, take it in. I really don't do these type of videos that often, so I hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna jump into it right now. Alright, man, so I'm at the Reebok booth right now. They haven't opened the doors yet to everyone. There's definitely still people in here, but not the general admission people yet. So I definitely am feeling this booth. It's the best one here in my opinion. But I'm gonna show that to you guys in this video as well as my whole experience. Let's do it.
What you thinking, bro?
Dude, they had to pull the trigger.
Yeah?
Pull the trigger. Robin, underneath like a little denim jacket or something like.
Yeah, something like.
Reebok's on feet, of course. man Jeremy right here.
Yes, sir.
We're about to put some shots up, see what we can do. AI just signed a couple basketballs for us. Man, as strong as you.
Yo, that's so high.
Yeah, fact. All right, Jeremy, let's go. Let's see what we got. Yo, you gotta lift a little, you know?
Texting me like, what's the address where your mama live? Yeah, reminiscing about the good old days.
Oh! Yeah, baby! All right, man, it's a wrap on day one. It was dope for sure. My man Jeremy Jones over here, chilling. He actually looks good in the jersey. Me, not so much. But anyway, solid day one. Day two should be pretty fun too. And I'll try to hit you guys with just as much footage. This was fun though. Bumped into my man right here, reffing, looking good. How you been? You enjoy this event?
It was good. It was solid.
Yeah, yeah?
Definitely, yeah.
You liked it? You get anything done, box? Let's get a sneak peek. Let's get a sneak peek.
Yeah. They're the Chinatown market bras. They're all right. They're comfy, you know.
This guy would have it in 5 bags.
I know, right?
An official unbagging right here.
There you go. These are nuts. I'm just gonna wear these at home when no one's looking.
All right, so day two, it's gonna be a good one. Yesterday was just absolutely insane. Hopefully I'm documenting this well, but if I'm not, let this be clear. Absolutely a great time with Reebok. This is one of the cooler events I've ever been to. Linking up with Jeremy Jones has been amazing. If you guys are unfamiliar with his channel, you gotta check it out. I'll link it down in the description. The dude could torch me on the basketball court. Yesterday, obviously, a lot of people were shooting around at the big hoop. My man Jeremy Jones was one of the only people to make that basket. And the winner was able to get an iced out Allen Iverson and Eric Emanuel chain. Absolutely nuts. It's worth like $9 grand or something like that. So they're definitely gonna point out a winner today. You'll be seeing that. I had these bad boys on yesterday and they were definitely breaking necks. If you're an Iverson fan, this is one of the coolest iterations that they've done in a long time. But I'm going back with the yellow joints today, the ones that I rocked here. This DMX cushioning, solid. Yo, can I get y'all autographs? What's up, man? How you doing? What's going on? What's up, man? Eddie. Nice to meet you. What up, bro? Dude, I'll take your autographs too. Yeah.
All right, we're taste testing it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Even our burgers are limited. Just gotta let it hit the palate. Let it marinate a little bit. Dance moves.
All these people that do food reviews, they never wipe their mouth. Gotta have the manners on deck.
Exactly.
First thing you get are those sweet peppers.
Oh, wow.
Not used to that. They definitely don't have this back home. The Shake Shack burger, it's dipped in au jus. Texture is a little bit different, but let's get to it. 8.4 out of 10.
Oh, wow, 8.4.
8.4. You know, Five Guys is like a 7 out of 10. Regular Shake Shack, like 7.5 out of 10. The peppers though.
Wow, that does it. Damn, I gotta go get one. That looks tremendous. Is there cheese on it? Yeah. Pepper jack, regular.
Provolone.
Provolone. I don't know if I'm a big provolone guy, but okay, I respect it.
All right, everyone knows Homer, not a big provolone guy.
Not a big provolone guy. Not a big provolone guy, not a big Swiss guy. Just putting that out there.
Not a Swiss?
Nah, provolone and Swiss.
Say you get a melt, say you get like a tuna melt or something. What do you get for cheese?
American.
American? On tuna? All right, so I'm back in my room. I gotta change real quick. I'm wearing velour pants, not the move. Definitely not the move. I'm gonna throw on some Eric Emanuel shorts. And I'll show them to you guys because they are definitely something limited. They didn't release. You could only win them at Complexcon, and you know how I feel about the Eric Emanuel shorts. Very nice. I'm also going to throw on my New York Sunshine t-shirt, which is one of the best t-shirts I've ever bought. Quality-wise, insane. Then I'm going to report back, and there's a lot I want to show you guys, like some thrifted old Reebok t-shirts. Taking these things off, and I'm rolling with the pink guys again. Gonna throw on these Eric Emanuel shorts. You could only get these if you hit 5 out of 5 with your free throws in under 24 seconds. So if you don't know about Eric Emanuel shorts, they're the real deal, made in USA, and that's an exclusive colorway. Made in New York, to be specific. Packaging is on point, of course. And then I've got my New York Sunshine t-shirt. This is one of my favorite t-shirts that I've just got. If you don't know about New York Sunshine, you should definitely check them out. The back is so sick. It almost looks like a thrifted t-shirt, but the quality of this tee is absolutely insane. It almost feels like a crew neck sweatshirt. Very heavyweight. It also fits me perfectly. Damn, I'm losing my voice. I'm dying over here. I've been rocking my Win in 47 brand hat all weekend. Time to get my Chicago White Sox hat out though. That is my staple. It's a New Era hat that I've had. Where is it? Here we go. This thing is old, but that's how I like it. Your hats break in over time. Got a little something for my man right here.
Oh, word?
Yeah, freshie, there you go.
No.
I don't know if you rock with hats or not, but you know.
Hey, it's crazy because I was peeping this early.
Oh, really? Nice. That's dope,
man.
There you go.
I appreciate it, bro.
No worries.
No, thank you, bro. That's real.
Alright guys, so back home now, and I'll keep this outro super brief since it was a long video. Necessary though, necessary for this video to be this length. I wanted to show you guys everything, my whole experience, so I hope I did a good job with that. If I did, make sure you hit that thumbs up. But I gotta say thank you to you guys. Without you, I don't get opportunities like this, and this was definitely one of the cooler experiences I've had. I've done similar things, but they haven't been as cool in my opinion. Product is so big to me. I still get hyped on sneakers. I still get really hyped on clothing. You know the deal. And I think that this was such a strong collaboration between Eric Emanuel and Allen Iverson. And I'm just hyped that I could be a part of this. So I believe that this sneaker was a Complexcon exclusive. However, the yellow pair you may be able to get. But anyway, I'm going to end the video here. A lot of content is on the way. As always, thank you guys for rocking with me. I truly do appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.